Are you tired of working hard but not getting the results you want? Still looking for a way to make money from home? Well, if you want to make money, then this is an excellent opportunity for you. There are countless people who are struggling to make a living. They don't have a good job and they can't find one. But they still have time to spend on the internet, working on social media accounts, or doing freelancing work. If you're one of them, this is the right video for you. I'm going to show you an amazing way of making an extra $3,000 per month. And how to start doing this. But before we start our today's video, I know you're trying to make money online and I want to help you out. So, I am sharing something really special and exclusive to make more than $1,000 each and every day, so make sure you don't miss out on that and make sure you check the first link in the description below. And also sharing some amazing apps to make some money instantly, so check the other links in the description as well. Now, let's jump to the video, and make sure to watch till the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. Many people are looking for methods to make money fast. One way is through Google to work as a Google Ads specialist. Google Ads specialist is expected to be the hottest job in the coming years. If you go to Upwork, you find some people earn $200 or more each and every hour working as Google Ads specialists. For example, if you see this guy has earned $400,000. And there are other many people here who earned a lot of money doing the same. The Google Ads specialist role requires a person who has knowledge of Google AdWords, Google Analytics, and search engine marketing, SEM. So if you have this knowledge and experience, you can start immediately. But what if you don't have this knowledge? Shall you pay hundreds of dollars to learn that? Frustrated, right? Don't worry, you will not need to spend even 1 cent, and you will learn everything in detail, and even you will get certified by Google itself. I want you to go to skillshop.withgoogle.com and select Google Ads, where you can grow your skills using Google Ads and get Google Ads certified. Then, choose Google Ads certifications, where you will find many courses on all kinds of Google Ads search, display, video, shopping ads, apps, and all these totally free. And you will be getting certified by Google. Now you can start working as a certified Google Ads specialist and start earning money. Now, make sure you click on the first link in the description below to know how to make more than $1,000 each and every day, and check the other links for more apps to make money faster. And if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, and comment below where you are from, and I will create a specific video for your region.